Hollywood is mourning the loss of veteran actor James Hendy after a fatal stabbing outside his Los Angeles home. Now, newly surfaced doorbell footage is drawing attention as investigators continue examining the circumstances surrounding the tragedy that claimed the life of the 81-year-old performer. Here's what authorities say happened and what we know so far. James Hendy, a familiar face to film and television audiences for decades, died following a stabbing incident at his residence in the Tarzana neighborhood of Los Angeles on June 3. According to the Los Angeles Police Department, officers responded after a 911 caller reported a violent incident at the home. Authorities say the caller allegedly stated, "I am the Son of Man. I just killed the man of sin." When officers arrived, they reportedly found Hendy suffering from a stab wound. Emergency responders transported him to a local hospital where he was later pronounced dead. Police identified Michael Gledhill, the adult son of Hendy's girlfriend, as the primary suspect in the case. Investigators say Gledhill allegedly flagged down responding officers and told them he was the individual they were seeking. He was subsequently arrested on suspicion of murder, and authorities set bail at $2 million. As the investigation continues, doorbell camera footage has surfaced showing a man walking repeatedly along a sidewalk near the location of the incident. The brief clips show an individual wearing a pink shirt and blue trousers pacing in the area and appearing to touch his face while moving back and forth. At this stage, officials have not publicly clarified when the footage was recorded or whether it forms part of the active investigation. Police have described the incident as isolated and stated there is no ongoing threat to the public. James Hendy enjoyed a lengthy acting career spanning film and television. Among his best-known appearances were roles in Top Gun: Maverick, Jumanji, Logan, and the television series The X-Files. His extensive resume also included appearances in NCIS Los Angeles, The Closer, and Cold Case. Following news of his death, tributes began emerging from colleagues and industry professionals who worked with the veteran actor throughout his career. Pam Ellis-Evanis of Ellis Talent Group described Hendy as a talented, humble, and gracious client and friend. The investigation into James Hendy's death remains ongoing, and authorities have not yet released additional details regarding a possible motive. As the entertainment industry reflects on his decades-long career, many fans continue to remember the actor for the memorable characters he brought to screens large and small.